So for this lab, you're going to be making observations about how the frequency and wavelengths of light changes as you move towards something and away from something. So we're going to be using the simulation right here. I put the link in the lab. If you can use Flash, you can play with the simulation on your own. And in the case that if you don't have Flash, you can use the videos that are in the lab. And so in the case of the simulation, you have two different objects. You have a star over here that's giving off light, and these circular things are basically waves. It's radiating energy. And then you have this rocket ship, which is what we're going to call the observer. And so you're looking at the wavelengths that are approaching you from this star over here. On the bottom of the simulation, you'll see the wavelengths that the wavelengths and frequency that the observer person is getting from their location. And so in this lab, we're going to be observing how does the frequency and the wavelength of the light changes as the observer either moves towards the source of the light or away from the light. What happens to that wavelength and the frequency as they move towards it and away from it, or even what might happen as the source of the light moves towards the observer and away from the observer. All right.